Dami na sila. Sunflower wala pa rin. Baka kailangan ng maraming sunlight.
Hi, dito po tayo ngayon sa Mount Pulag National Park or Protected Area Office. So, yeah, may orientation muna bago tayo umakyat. And hello guys, good morning. We're currently here at Mount Pulag National Park, Protected Area Office. We're going to climb Mount Pulag through Abangi or Babadak Trail, so it's the easiest trail. And di ko na na-video yung ibang travel kanina or kahapon, but yeah, I'm gonna start here from here. So we just had a orientation regarding the do's and don'ts in climbing or trekking through the Abangi Trail or different trails, climbing Mount Pulag. Kasi gano'n naman talaga lahat lahat ng trekking or mountain climbing, every nature related adventures, kailangan ng basic like LNT, leaving no trace behind. Huwag kumuha ng plants, respect the nature, avoid loud noises, avoid loud music. Yeah, because for the locals, it's a sacred environment. It's their home, actually, and yeah, it's respected. So yun. Okay guys, that's all. See you later na lang sa trail. Bye. Hi guys. So, welcome to my vlog. So here's Elsie, Kyla, Alisa. Okay, mamaya na. Share muna tayo. Bye. So yun guys, tapos na tayo nag-take ng photo with the group. Yun, nauna na sila. So yeah, habol tayo. Punta na tayo sa Babadak Ranger Station. Yeah. So yan, naglalakad na po tayo. So yung kasama ko po dito sila Shona and her daughter. Hi. And also Casey and Eliza. Pero yeah, balik na tayo sa sasakyan. Kaya makapunta na tayo sa Ranger Station. Hi.
Veganismo, ito ay higit pa sa pag-iwas sa pagkain ng mga hayop. Ito ay isang naglalayong mapalaya sa lahat ng nilalang na naakit.
Hi guys, so ayun, we already had our lunch and we're already packed. Yeah. So maya punta na kami sa Ranger Station for camping fee. Yes. Kalayaan for Porter. So, see you there. So guys, we're currently approaching the Babalak Ranger Station. Yeah. So, dito tayo mag-pay ng ano. We're going to pay the camp fee. So guys, nandito na po tayo sa Ranger Station. And everybody could rent a tent here. Worth, I'll ask. Also, nandito yung prices for the tent. Yan.
Plus 50 pesos para sa insulator. Ayan!
Yeah. So, plus 50 pesos for the insulator.
Hindi na siguro ate.
Also, we paid per 5 persons. It's equivalent, I mean, every 5 person, kailangan ng isang guide, which is worth 1,200. So, it's worth 200, 240, 240 each. Then an additional of 150 pesos for the for the LGU. Yeah. Yeah. Ready na kami, nandito si Casey. Ano masasabi mo kay Alta?
Like
Oh yeah, sana.
Hindi na kami gustong kasama.
Ay, sana. Sayang di ka kasama. So next time.
It's a stretching.
Oh, yun din.
The day na we need it the most.
Sana mag-school.
See you na lang next time.
On our next.
Now we are already starting the trek.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano masabi mo, Chana? Yeah. How about you, Kayla? Ay, Kayla. Wala. Okay.
No comment?
No comment.
I look at the flowers so.
Yeah. Ganda ng mga flowers dito. So, tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa trail until Camp 1. Yep. See you there. Tapos isa on. Good afternoon. Anong masasabi mo for what are we going to? I mean, Kuya Tony, sorry. Sir Tony. I'm confused. Anong masasabi mo regarding the trail? Mahirap ba siya?
Mahirap ng pagbubukapon. Bakit?
Bakit na?
Lapos yung kapuan, patag.
Patag na from Kapuan. Hanggang Camp 2. Okay. So, yung Camp 1 naman, malapit na lang ba dito? Ilang oras ba?
Medyo malayo.
Medyo malayo. 3 hours, right? Ay!
1 hour.
1 hour pala, 1 hour. Then,
Mabulis na tayo. 30 minutes. Pahinga. 1 hour.
1 hour.
Oo.
Sige. So, yun guys. 1 hour from Ranger Station to Camp 1. Oh, pag pahinga ng pahinga. So, yun. 1 hour lang talaga. I mean, 1 hour talaga. Max na yun. Pero if dire-diretso naman yung lakad, so minimum 30 minutes kaya nang dumating from Ranger Station up to Camp 1. So, yeah. This is Babalak Trail. Abangag? Abangag. Abangag. Ano ba? Abangan? Abangag. Abang. So, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. So, morning. Diri. Nice kayang view, no? Amazing. Sa mga gustong pumunta ng Mount Pulag, yeah, this is what you will expect to see. Actually, ano pa lang to, start pa lang to ng trail. So, there's more things to witness pa ahead.
mini pond. So here makikita natin yung river. Ganda ng clouds, guys. Kaso parang uulan. May kumakalabog. Nakikita niyo yan? Malamang nakikita niyo yan. Nakikita ko din. Ganda eh. Masabi mo, sir? Na first time for us na first timers dito sa Mount Pulag. What can you say to us na mga baguhan dito sa Mount Pulag? Though this is the easiest trail daw, sabi niya. Pero what can we expect? Ano expect sa Tagalog? Ano yung aasahan naming tama ba? Sa pag-akyat namin, ano makikita namin doon? Mahirap ba?
Mas madali dito kaysa Atikitril kasi dito bali tatlo yung pine forest at saka mossy forest at saka grassland.
Ito yung pine forest ko yan.
Pine forest. So we're here at the pine forest. Okay. So yun. Si Sir Ramon pala, guide here at Mount Pulag, Abangay Trail. Abangay Trail. Right. Kaiba dito, may handrail. So, may part dito. Yeah. Baka delikado to dito. So, ang galing kasi may handrail. Hanggang dun, malayo. Yung view naman dito. Yan. Hi guys. So guys, papasok na po pala tayo sa Mossy Forest. Yeah. And paakyat na yung trail, medyo paahon na. Elevation. Yeah. Medyo slope na. Na lang. So yeah, we're here. Yan, hantayin na tayo dito sa taas. Ay!
Na-warm up na ako kanina. Anak. Basic technique na pwede. Ito overtake.
arrived at Camp 1. So, yeah, Camp 1 guys. Yan. So,
for the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear.